Video is going to be a little mini tutorial on how to find which assignments are graded in the nutrition class. So if you go up here to the grades tab, it will take you to the grade book. And then there are two sections that you need to worry about. There is the required to pass section. So everybody is required to complete these unit tests. So notice Unit 1, Part 1, Unit 2, Part 1, Unit 3, Part 1, Unit 4, Part 1, 5, and 6, right? So you complete all of those. And then you are required to complete 2 from each unit. So these 3 at the top are for you to complete. The Welcome to Nutrition just means welcome, you get 10 points. The Getting to Know You is on our class homepage under our class announcements. It's an easy 10 points. And then the orientation grade, if you send me or if you respond to the email that I sent on how to find the mini tutorials, you got 10 points on that. And then these are the 4 graded assignments in Unit 1 that you can choose from. So Unit 1.02 food selection factors, 1.03 food intake analysis, 1.03 quiz, and 1.04 quiz. So you can pick any 2 out of this group of 4. Same thing in Unit 2, you can pick any 2 out of this group. Same thing in Unit 3, any 2 out of this group. Unit 4, 5, and so on. There are more assignments in Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. However, these are not graded assignments. So these are all things that after you've completed all the other ones, and if you want to do these for practice or you want to do them for extra credit, that's fine. But these are the ones that are the graded assignments, and they are under the category that says required complete 2 from each unit. So make sure you're coming to the grade book, you're checking which assignments are graded and completing these assignments before you go and complete these assignments, because these assignments are not required to pass this class. Hopefully that makes sense. And again, required to complete 2 from each unit, and then the required to pass unit tests.